I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so thankful you took the time and wanted to quilt with me. We are working on our mystery quilt and it's our second week. We're starting our block number 7. It is gonna be so much fun. I am so excited for you. If you're just joining us in, please remember, visit our blog for recipes for each of the blocks. They're free to you. Cut your fabric and come on, join us in so we can make beautiful blocks. Block number 7 is made with 2 blues and 2 lights. I chose 4 fabrics altogether and I'm working from Perfect Union collection. Visit my blog, you have a close-up picture so you can recognize which fabric I'm using. And if you're just starting in, you can use fat quarters, and I have a Perfect Union collection that I'm working from it. They're sold out at this moment, but there's some more yardage if you would like, or you can purchase our winter blues. They're quite nice too. I also have a light bundle because I need additional lights for some of the blocks. This have been so much fun and it's so exciting. Today's block is super fun and simple. We're gonna make a half square triangle unit and we're gonna use light half square triangle 2 7/8 and blue half square triangle 2 7/8. It's cut from a square. Let me show you how I do it. I take a square just like this and cut it once diagonally for 2 half square triangles. We're gonna use those half square triangles right here, and then we have a 1 large half square triangle just like this that is cut from 4 7/8. This is the block that we're gonna be making today. We're gonna start by making the half square triangle unit, and last week we had so many good practice with half square triangles. We're gonna stitch it right here using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. As soon as we finish stitching, let me show you. You're going to open it up just like this, and then you're gonna sew a triangle right to it. Oh, how did I do this? This was the triangle. I'm just gonna place my triangle right over, stitch right here, and when I open it up, I'm gonna have a unit just like this. This unit, I'm gonna sew this big half square triangle right to it. Look at this. I have it ready, set, go right here. I always make sure I pin it at the beginning and pin it at the end to make sure that everything matches it really nice. I'm gonna stitch it right down and then open it up. Look at, I finished stitching and then open it up like this. Before I open, I'm gonna take my scissors and clip that little bunny ear right here. I don't want that sticking up. And when I'm stitching, I always pay attention that I don't miss and don't sew over my point. If you worry about sewing over the point, sew from this side so that way you can see it where the crossing of the threads are, so you can go right through it right there and don't lose a point right there. Look at this, how wonderful this look. The next step, as soon as your block is finished, I'm gonna place my ruler right over and make sure I trim it to the perfect 4.5 by 4.5. You're gonna keep going and repeat to make 8 of those, and then you're gonna go ahead and make that same block using the different color option with the stripe and a little bit lighter blue, and you're gonna also make 8 of those. So this is our block number 7, 8 and 8. I have some work to do and I love to finish my block so I can keep going. Tomorrow, block number 8. If you're posting pictures of your blogs, please make sure you tag us on it, and please visit our website at Laundry Basket Quilts for any of your needs and a blog with a recipe for our mystery quilt. Happy quilting!